boys and girls. Miss Bear coming to you this afternoon with our vocabulary from our story Clothesline Clues about what jobs people do. The first thing we're going to take a look at are some rhyming words. Which of these pictures rhyme? We've got jar, mittens, star. Which two of these pictures rhyme? Jar, mitten, star. That's right. Whoops. That's right. Jar and star. They both rhyme. Let's take a look at another picture. Which pictures rhyme? Carrot, parrot, and flowers. Carrot, parrot, flowers. That's right, carrot and parrot. They both have the same endings down, the O-T, ot. Carrot, parrot. Let's go back to jar. Oopsies. Let's go back to jar and star. We hear the R at the end. We both know that they have an R sound. All right, let's take a look at some of the characters in our story. This person is super important to us. Here, I'm going to share my screen with you. Nope, not me. Let's go back to the screen. There we go. This is a mail carrier. This person delivers our mail. In this area, we have a lot of people that drive cars to our house to bring the mail. But in big cities, they walk down the street and they carry mail. That's why they're called a mail carrier. This is a very popular job around our area. It is a farmer. Sometimes they have big tractors and big combines. I saw them outside today picking corn. They're getting that corn ready to be sold as deer corn and feeder corn for our animals in the winter. This farmer has a market just like Annie does in our old story from last week. Ooh, a chef. I love cooking, but I'm not a chef. A chef is somebody who works in a restaurant, and they make meals for many people every single night. I just cook for my family, and they need to eat whatever I put in front of them. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not so good. But a chef is really good at what he or she does. An artist. I give these people 100% kudos because I cannot draw to save my life. An artist is a painter or a drawer that help us see maybe illustrations in our story, pictures on our wall. Oh, look at the picture behind me. Some artist drew that picture. So an artist is somebody who paints or draws pictures. This is a carpenter. A carpenter is somebody who builds things. It could be a boy, it could be a man, or a woman. Either one can have that job. Mr. Barrow is a carpenter. He builds houses for other people and fixes houses that are not acting right or working right. This is one of our local heroes. This is a firefighter. This is somebody, when we call 911, who comes to our house and is able to help us put out a fire. Are we to be scared of these people? Absolutely not. They're there to help us, but their job is to tend to fires. This is an astronaut. An astronaut is somebody who goes out into outer space. They go up there on a rocket or a space shuttle, and they do exploration and things that need to be done in space, whether it's repairing machines that are up there in space, working on our satellite, visiting the International Space Station, which sometimes flies right over our houses, or they're going up there to explore new stars that they have seen. We've all seen this next person, and that is a doctor. A doctor is there to help us. Usually we see them when we're feeling bad, but sometimes when we feel good, we go in for those well checkups just to make sure we're growing and doing all the things we're supposed to be doing. This is a veterinarian. It is an animal doctor. They tend to our puppies and our cats and our pigs and our parrots and our snakes, whatever animal we may have. We take them to the veterinarian. They help keep them safe, they help keep them healthy, and they make sure that they don't have any bad things in their bodies that can make them sick. This is my job. I am a teacher. My job is to teach you new things or give you a new way to look at things that you may already know. Now, right now, you're home learning, and moms and dads and grandmas and grandpas and aunts and uncles and babysitters, even some schools, are helping you be as a teacher. But pretty soon, you're going to be face to face with me every day, and I'm going to teach you all the things you need to know in kindergarten. This person is very important. This person is a dentist. They take care of our teeth. They make sure that they count our teeth to see how many we have. They count our teeth to make sure that they're all growing in the right spots, because different teeth have different names. You've got big teeth in the back that help you grind up the food, but you've got teeth in the front that help you pull the food. And without all of those teeth, you can't eat. And if you can't eat, then you'll get sick and you'll have to go see the doctor. So seeing your dentist is very, very important. Can it be scary at times? Absolutely. But they're there to help your teeth. This person is very important in my life. With all the vehicles I have, I need a mechanic. A mechanic is somebody who takes care of your car. They make sure you have enough fluids in your car to keep it running, enough oil that is clean to make sure it's going through all the parts properly, and to make sure you don't have any leaks of anything. I have a mechanic that comes to my house very often to take care of my cars. Well, boys and girls, I hoped you enjoyed meeting all of our community helpers and our heroes in the neighborhood. And these people are here to take care of us. We're going to learn more about them in our story, and we're going to see how they help each other in the story. We'll see you guys later. Have a great night.